Okay. Who is still here? All right. I think we are live. Right. We are live both sides. Okay. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, leaders. Just like to acknowledge everyone that's here. All right. I think we are live. Okay. There's an echo. Can I mute you for a little while, Mpho, please?
I can mute myself, it's fine.
Thank you. And everybody that's here, can I ask you guys to mute yourself so there's no echo? Okay. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, leaders. Just like to acknowledge everyone that's here. Okay. The echo was coming from YouTube. All right. Okay. Good afternoon, leaders. Today is the 23rd of February, 2022. Okay. Evorich. Okay. Good afternoon, leader. Yes, we're live. Thank you very much. Thanks for confirming. I'm just going to share my screen quickly so that you guys can see what we are going to be talking about today. All right. All right. So today is the 23rd of February 2023. I mean 2022. I'm such in a hurry. And my name is Evorich. I am your host for today. So today, what is it that we're talking about? There's a need for this meeting today. Precisely today, okay? Because this is the pre-launch of Evo School. I mean, of Evoscent, all right? Tomorrow, Evoscent launches. So we need to be ready, okay? I'm the one that's doing the presentation today. So my name is Evorich. I'm representing Evorich Team South Africa. All right. Just want to welcome everybody that's watching us live from YouTube, Facebook, and everywhere else. Okay. So I don't want to be okay. If you just came in and your mic is on, please can you kindly just switch it off so that we can. There's no echo and there's no background noise. Please. Thank you very much. Okay. My name is Evorich. I'm the office manager here in Sandton. I'm a student of life. I'm a private investor and forex trader, cryptocurrency enthusiast and educator, professional network marketer, an entrepreneur. And personally, I'm a passionate, ambitious, and self-motivated online entrepreneur. Okay, in my past, I do have some professional background, meaning corporate background. I was a project manager, a business analyst, systems analyst, data analyst. Okay, so how I met this industry that we in is via a company, one of the biggest brands in Africa, right? I was an ambassador and a junior speaker there. So that's how I met this industry that we are in. But obviously it was network marketing at the time. So now in this one, we are in a different industry and we are in MLCI. Okay, can I ask the person that just got into mute themselves? Everybody that's here, please just mute yourself so there's no background noise. Okay, I'm just gonna play an icebreaker video of this project Evoscent so that you can have a better understanding of what it is all about.
When prosperity descends from the heavens, sublime and absolute, when it carries an infinite call to beauty, when it is charged with the most powerful energy from the miraculous vortex imbued with the highest quality, Evoscent is born. This stream surrounds us with the beautiful and the noble. It enhances our vibrations, boosts our self-esteem and confidence, thus inviting us to enjoy all the present moments of life. The consciousness of the universe beckons us to become one. Prosperity, which will always be part of this new world that we're shaping, comes from the top down. It goes from the spiritual to the material, thus transforming the financial energy that has dominated so far. Such is Evoscent, a new project from Evorich. It's a new brand forged by a great team of successful creators, die-hard entrepreneurs, and great communication professionals, with the support of an entire community of successful investors. To create Evoscent means to develop an impeccable collection of products in the world of fashion, cosmetics, and luxury. The ultimate goal is to become a top 10 company in this sector at the global level. At the heart of this fascinating project is the renowned perfumer Ramon Bihar. He has devoted more than 40 years to the world of fragrances and has enjoyed incredible success in his devotion. He's considered one of the best perfumers in the world. His creations became the best-selling perfumes in the most prestigious stores of the world, bought by royalty and Hollywood celebrities, and gained immense international acclaim. Evoscent kicks off with a magnificent collection of high-quality perfumes. The highest collection features 8 exclusive fragrances that cater to a variety of trends and tastes, capable of satisfying the most demanding needs of the better part of olfactory cultures that make up our community. 8 diverse and at the same time complementary perfumes, united under the brand of sophistication and exclusivity. Which of these fragrances is yours? Maybe all of them, one for every occasion. Give it a try. Join the world of Evoscent.
Okay, so back to the presentation. So we played this short introduction, okay, icebreaker video that explains what this project is really all about. So I hope it makes sense. Right. So that's Evoscent. What could you pick up there? It's not just about the perfumes, because we are starting, that's the starting point. The second point is going to be into luxury, what do you mean? Jewelry, you know, luxurious jewelry, handbags, fashion, and also beauty care and stuff. But we'll talk about that a bit later. Right. So Evoscent, what is the sense of smell and how do we perceive fragrances? Okay. So in Evo School, we do have an academy called Evo School, right? We are a company called Evorich. We are having a product called Evoscent because it's the scent, right? Meaning the perfumes. And we teach about perfumes here in Evo School, okay? Confuse these things, okay? They go all hand in hand. However, that's what it's all about. Can I just ask the person that came in to mute themselves when they come in, all right? So you'll get all the information inside Evoscent. Okay. Where are fragrances used effectively? Aromatherapy, aroma psychology, aroma marketing, and aroma design. Okay, I'm just gonna mute this person. Lizzie. Okay. So our perfumes are one of a kind. They're not just ordinary perfumes that you will find on the streets. It's those luxurious ones, high class perfumes, right? The ones that you will find in like very famous malls, very expensive malls, shops like Mandela Square or Sandton City. Why? Because they are not of poor quality. It's the best quality. So in future, you will see these perfumes going into those retail stores and also online. All right. So, and again, one very important, because they are factor, because they are coming from Spain, the originator is from Spain, so they are very, very expensive. He does already have a brand of his own. His name is Ramon Beja, and he is the one that's giving us this product for us to have and to distribute. Why? Because he's already a part of Evorich. We know that Evorich is a community of like-minded people, okay? People that are thinking along the lines of business, people that are thinking along the lines of MLCI, because that's what we specialize in. I'm gonna try and keep this very short because of time, okay? Okay. So this is the perfume that we are going to be having inside Evoscent, okay? So the first one, there's a couple of them, there's like 8 types of perfumes that we are going to be, you will be introduced to, the ones that you will get in sample form, okay? And each one of them has got a different personality to it. So it depends on your personality and your taste, because we've got different tastes as people, and your mood perhaps, you know. So the best thing that you can ever get is at least a sample of the 8, so that you will be able to recommend to your clients, because guys, we are starting this business from scratch, from nothing, and that's what this Evorich MLCI, that's what we specialize in. We start businesses from nothing, and we do it as a crowd. That's why it is multi-level crowd investing. So we are investing as a crowd, okay, into this business, and we will become the co-owners or in this project once it's up and running. And it's like, this is like a legacy. If you understand how legacies work, if you want to create a legacy for your kids, okay, so this is one of the best projects that you can embark on and start. So these are not just ordinary perfumes. There's a certain niche, and it's the highest quality, right, that this perfume represents. So it will be embraced by those people that are moneyed, not people that are just wannabes. I'm not sure who is presenting with me here. Can I ask all the people that are joining in to mute themselves when they come into the room, please, so that there's no disturbance? Okay, all right. So let's make a comparison here. Pablo Picasso. I mean, somebody would think that there's a lot of competition out there, okay? People are selling perfumes everywhere, every corner. You go to every mall, be it in the township, be it anywhere, and you are finding everybody's creating their own little perfume. Okay, so this is not gonna be that kind of perfume. And somebody will also say, why is your perfume so expensive? Nobody is going to be able to afford it. That is not true. There's people out there with money. But mute all the people that just came in. Okay, because they're disturbing my presentation. Can I ask everybody that's getting into the room, kindly mute yourself, because I am the speaker for now. You will unmute yourself when you have the chance to speak, okay? Ramon started this thing over 11 years ago, this project of his, and he's well-renowned and he's known in the world. I mean, in 2015, he sold over $190,000, okay? His perfume, his collection, all right? So this is just to do a comparison that nothing is too expensive to sell. There's always a market, okay? So we have joined hands with him. We have partnered with Ramon, and he has accepted, he has agreed to give us his product that we rebranded and we create our own. I mean, that's like normal business practice. The food that you are eating at, for instance, in Checkers or in Pick and Pay, whatever that's inside, it's the actual product. The container is just the branding, if you understand. So this is similar to this instance. The container is different to that of Ramon because he's a brand. So he is identified as a certain, because he collects these things like gemstones and stuff. Then that's where he puts his perfumes. So that is why he's able to sell them at a high price, because these gemstone containers are very elegant and very expensive because he put things in there. Okay. So unfortunately, I don't have anybody that's helping me to admit the people. And some of them are not even joining for some odd reason. Okay. So we are using the inside, meaning the content of this perfume to start our own Evoscent. And if you are paying attention to what's happening inside the company, you are plugged in, you will see Ramon feature on the videos, not because of Evoscent, but because of one of the videos where I saw him was in what you call it, in the cruise ship. So he's there. I have seen him, right? So we'll show you when we get in here. Okay. And I see who just came in, and so I'm muting you, my dear. Okay. So that's what's happening here. It's a partnership. So this is Ramon. And you see, he says, for more than 11 years, my world is one of the fragrances with a taste of happiness. Happy man. He's a happy chap. I'm constantly engaged in the process of observation regarding the role of scents and fragrances in our lives. Okay, Mr. Hama is just not getting admitted. I don't know why. Maybe it's his network. And this is his perfumes. So he mixes and spices up things according to whatever. He's the expert, and he will be giving us more and more and more. For now, he gave us just like 8 samples that we can use. Okay, we start the business with. But like I said, these are his own collections. This is his website. This is where he sells. If you have time, just Google Ramon Beha and check his website. This is how his perfumes look like. You see, they're elegant bottles. They're different. This looks like a gemstone. It's like, effort taken to produce these bottles, these containers. So look at that one. Look at this. Look at that, right? But what matters is the quality that's inside, all right? We will get there with time because we are just starting. So he's been in the business for over 11 years. Okay, so this is our container for now, but what's inside is what attracts the people. I have observed in the group, some people have already received their samples and they highly, highly, highly recommend the perfumes. Okay, so we are in partnership. We are starting this business from scratch, and we are going to be co-owners or shareholders in this business. Okay, so this is just the this is an old slide from tomorrow. I will bring up the new slides so that you can see what's happening. Exactly, it's simplified and straight to the point. So we don't have enough time now, but you need to have a background, because sometimes somebody in this room is a prospect, and they just want to know more about Evoscent. What is it really? Is it just an ordinary perfume? Yes, I will be a shareholder, but do you want to be a shareholder in a company that's not going to make money or that's selling cheap stuff? The answer is no. So we are giving you luxurious stuff here. Okay. So like I said, we are starting in perfumes, and then later on we will franchise this worldwide, depending on the demand. Okay. Then we will then get into luxury handbags. Imagine Louis Vuitton, imagine Gucci, belts, ties, sunglasses, scarves, jewelry, cosmetics, meaning your facial care or your beauty care products, makeup. Then later on we'll go into sportswear. Imagine you are having our own sports scene. So this company, we are having a vision of where we want, but we're starting off with what? With just perfumes for now. Then later on, as we grow, we are going to get into other products. So you're being given a chance to become a part or a shareholder in this company right from the beginning. when it does not even exist. And we will explain exactly how you'll get involved. All right. So these are the perfumes that he has given us, the 8 samples. Obviously, he's got a number of them, like different kinds, right? So obviously, somebody picked these and they thought these were the best. These were top notch. Okay, so we're having number 1, Evorich. Number 2 is Greatness, right? Number 3, Tantric. 4, Paradigma. Number 5, Fifth Element, Basalt, Dynamic Gold, and Wealthy Spirit. Why Wealthy Spirit? Why are we calling it like that? Because we are in a company that teaches people how to create wealth, right? Evorich, because it's our company, all right? So these are the 5. You will be able to choose. So you will get the samples, then you get to choose the one that you like the most. You'll be also able to recommend to your clients which one according to personality, but you need the education around what perfume represents and how to study the personalities of the people so that you can match the perfume. We are not saying you're going to be a distributor. We are just saying that as a shareholder, you are going to, obviously, as a shareholder in a company, you want your company to be successful. When you're a shareholder, what's due to you is dividends. So, but before you can get dividends, there needs to be some sales. We are not saying you're going to be distributing. You'll just be sending the people to the people that can sell in your own company, right? But the beauty about it is that you are also getting, when you refer them, you are not just a shareholder, but you're also getting compensated for your efforts. But first, you need to know your product and you need to consume your own product. That is why they're giving us these samples right in the beginning. So here is just the chart of Mr. Hama, Nomatala. I am muting you. Okay, L'Oreal, Gillette, all these brands, I'm sure you know them, but they are specializing in what? In cosmetics. So we said earlier, the roadmap of Evoscent is to start with perfumes, then we venture into cosmetics and beauty care products, and then we get into fashion, then we get into sportswear, right? So this is where we are going. That's our roadmap as Evoscent. So, but these ones are just ranked according to one brand, cosmetics, right? They're doing different kinds of things. Obviously, the quality and people have got a choice of where they want. So this is ranked according to their net worth, okay? The valuation of this company. L'Oreal is number 1. Why is L'Oreal number 1? L'Oreal is number 1 because it is used mostly by white people, and white people are among the 1%, or maybe not, but they don't mind spending. So Tina, black people, we tend to go to number 3, Nivea, because we think it's reasonable in price. Gillette, maybe for your shaving creams and your shaving whatever. Pantene, Dove, a lot of people, black people use Dove, and Garnier, Head and Shoulders, So these are just brands, but the one that makes the most money is the one that will be number 1. Why? Because it's got loyal customers that are loyal to the brand. So Evoscent will have its own niche also in future, because we are going to venture into this. And mind you, we are only going to produce the best of the best, okay? So because we are giving people an opportunity to become entrepreneurs or business partners in here, we just want to show you that we will be sharing our revenues with all the people that are active inside the company. So these are like top 20 network marketing companies, popularly known. These brands, you know them. Some of them I don't know either, but they are ranked according to their net worth. The same as L'Oreal, it was number 1 in the cosmetics brands. And then Amway is amongst all the network marketing companies out there. So it's by 8.8 billion net worth. Okay, you know Avon. Imagine now we want to see ourselves in top 10. So we'll be like on a tie. We'll be tying places with Avon, perhaps, because it's now a generic network marketing company. Now we are having physical products, which will be starting with perfumes, and then later we'll go into cosmetics, and then fashion, and then later sportswear. So imagine, I just want you to start thinking about it along those lines. right? How do we start? How do we do this project? And how do we make you a co-owner or a shareholder inside this project? We are going to be issuing some tokens. What are tokens? Token is like, you know, like a symbol. It's something that you can hold on to, right, for now, until you have converted it into an actual share. We've done this in the past. We've done it with the crypto unit program, and we've been successful. For those that are following the news inside, all the chats inside the WhatsApp groups, and also where in Telegram, you will see that we've made a lot of progress on the crypto unit program, because now our WCRU has now gone up to $2, right? It's a share. So the same thing is going to happen even with Evoscent, because it's a share. It's going to become a share. You started with CRU points. At the time, we didn't have a blockchain, but we then used the proceedings from the project or the crowdfunding to build a blockchain of our own. So we've got our own blockchain, and our CRUs are residing inside the blockchain. Our WCRUs are residing in the blockchain. UNTB and USD, they are all in the blockchain. We're having our own exchange, UnitX. We are having our own payment system and our own bank, Global Unit Pay. We are having UGain. We are having Genius of Finance. These things were there. Academy of a Private Investor has always been there. That's where everything started. Genius of Finance was made possible to be physical and what do you call it? And you know, like attractive, the branding and everything, the packaging, it was made possible from the proceedings of the crypto unit program. So this company, the same thing. We are starting, the proceedings are going to be taken and they're going to be moved to making this project, bringing it to life. But meantime, you'll be issued with some tokens, which will be sent to your blockchain. For those that were a part of crypto unit program, you will know that we are using CRU tab and Evoscent. So all your tokens will be sent to the blockchain, because that's where your CRU blockchain address resides. So they will send these tokens into your blockchain straight up. So this Evoscent token, it's a token for now. Later on, you're going to exchange it for an NFT, right? And then you're going to buy stocks for minimal price. So what we are doing with CRU and WCRU, the same is going to happen with Evoscent. So it's a repetition. It is repeating itself. So these are we have about 10 stages, okay? 10 stages in this project. So the same thing that happened with crypto unit program, where you're buying packages, the early bird caught the worm, or the fattest worm. They got the most CRUs, and they were able to exchange them for WCRU at the nominal price, at a very low fee. And now it made them big, fat global co-owners inside the global investment portfolio. So the same thing is going to happen here. So the early bird catches the worm. If you're going to participate in stage one, at least you're getting more for less. For instance, you spend $50. Guys, we are not saying that everybody's got money, but you can even leverage off your CRU that you are having, sell them for Litecoin or whatever, send them to your back office and buy this. Okay? You can do that. Sell some of your CRU, because CRU is still a baby. It's still undergoing its own cryptocurrency journey. So it will get to $1. There's things that are happening in the background that most of us are not understanding. But if you are plugged in, you are following the channels and you are following the news, you will know exactly what's happening. All right, but I'm not going to talk about it here. So $50, you'll be buying it with close to 2 US cents, and you are getting 2,632. And there's only a limited number of $50 packages, 1,500 for the entire world in over 172 countries. How many people do you think are gunning for those or are ready to buy the $50 package? There's a lot of them. And then with it, you are getting that sample, the sample, the gift set, the travel box with 8 different samples of those 8 perfumes. All right. So if you're buying for $100, you're getting more shares and you're getting 2 travel sets. One for yourself, the other can be for your partner, or the other one can be for marketing purposes. You let your clients have a taste or smell the fragrances that we have to offer. Some people are gonna buy this not because they love perfumes, but because they want to become a shareholder in this company. All right, so just pay attention. This is how the box looks like. Some people have received it already. I have seen people in Durban have received it. All right. People in Durban have received it. We know them, Leader Zamo, Leader Toli. I don't know the lady on the right, but this is Team KZN, Team Durban. So they were showcasing that this is indeed there. All right. The people that have ordered theirs, yours is coming. Please just practice patience for now. Your kit is coming for those that already have placed their orders prior to this launch. Okay, but for the ones that are going to be participating in this launch will receive these as part of their package. They don't have to order it separately, because remember, this was a gift set. You're just paying for shipment. Okay. Now, I need you to pay attention. If you're buying a bigger package, it means you are buying the tokens for less and you are getting more tokens. If you are buying at a less price, you are getting, but you are still, even in stage one, you are getting it for less than 2 cents, basically. All right. Now, if you are buying for $300, maybe you've got $300, you put it in your back office, you're going to get a $1 million partner, what do you call it? Course for free, and also the basic course in perfumery, meaning Evoscent School Academy. That course, you're going to get it for free. Okay, this is what we're talking about. The $1 million partner, the one that teaches you on how to become an MLCI, what we do inside Evorich. It teaches you that, right? So this price, like ideally you would buy it from the Academy or Evorich for $250. But here you are spending $300 and you are getting it for free. And you are also getting this one for $200 for free. Okay. They will teach you everything that you need to know about these perfumes or this brand and how to sell it to others and how to get others to be interested in joining us. Okay. Now, if you're buying for 1,200 and 600 and 1,200, you are getting more. You are getting more perfumes now. Okay, 75 mils, not just the travel set. The travel set and perfumes, 2 perfumes now, the 75 mils. But please bear in mind, guys, the perfumes are not. They are not ready for shipment. They will start shipping from April until August. So meantime, what is it that you can have? The company has thought this through and said, we need to have at least the samples so that people can know what to expect and be able to choose what they want so that they don't, oversupply or maybe overproduce these perfumes that people don't like, you see? So 600, you're getting 37,500 shares, right? Or tokens. And you're getting 2 perfumes. And now this time you're getting the Profit Investor category number 3 course, which you have to pay for, which is something that Leader Zotwa has paid for, all right? And then the $1 million and the Evoscent for free also. So this is the category number 3. It costs about $170. Fundamentals of investment course. The first steps in private investment. And then you're also gonna get certified, but you're getting it for free if you're spending $600 or 1,200. Okay, if you're spending 2,400 and above, up to $15,000, you are going to get the Profit Investor category number 2. The course it's now a combination of category number 3 and number 2 because it's an advanced course. And you're also getting MLCI Pro. MLCI Pro meaning now you have climbed up the ladder, right? You are now, it actually is it's for people. Let's talk about this one first. This one is the fundamental course. That's category number 3. And then advanced private investor course in stock markets and portfolio equity management, global public and corporate finance, and the evaluation of the creation of a modern digital decentralized policy course. Then you're going to get a certificate. The course costs about $440 if you had to buy it. Okay, but you're going to get it for free. And then MLCI Pro, it's ideally meant for people that are an agent and above. If you're not an agent, you cannot take up this course, all right? So it costs about $500. It teaches you tactics on how to become successful, basically, all right? It teaches you, it's a free course also. You're gonna get free course about blockchain, because some people are in this CRU program, but they still don't understand how the blockchain works. It's gonna teach you about UGPay, the WCRU, and FinTech. WCRU, how you can maximize your opportunities, what is it that you need to do so that you can get more from your previous investment, okay? And then the business system, MLCI in general. So that's what you're going to get, and you're also getting a certificate. So but you are getting it for free if you're spending $2,400 and more. So the more the package, the more, the higher the package, the more tokens you will be issued. But now pay attention to this one. Now, let's say you are too late, because what I'm anticipating is that in a matter of hours, tomorrow, 9 a.m. South African time, 10 a.m. Moscow time, I don't know in India, because what I know is that the Indians have already started uploading funds in their back offices. So if you're going to wait for the last minute, you might lose out on the one that you could afford, and you have to wait till stage 2. And look what happens now in stage 2. The price is going up. The cost of the token is going up, meaning close to 3 cents, and you're getting less tokens. But the benefits remain the same. All right. So the trick here is for you to get it as soon as possible. So today, before, or at least before 9 a.m. tomorrow, by 6 o'clock, be up, put in the money. And that's where I want to show you guys the easiest way to do it, okay? So we've got 10 stages, but I'm speaking about stage 1, 2, and number 10, just to show you. Now look at stage number 10. You are buying this now, $50, same amount, you are now buying it for 20 US cents. You are only getting about 250 tokens. And the number of packages will be more. Do you see? So you don't want to wait to that end, to that time where it's already late and you cannot afford to get less for more. You see, you want to get more for less, not the opposite. Okay. All right, so the time is now. If you're going to wait for the last minute, you are going to lose out, especially that we know we've been through the pandemic. People do not have money. So at least if you can put in something, get something, get a lot if you can. But if you don't have the money, you still have a chance to do what? To build a team, and you get to grow. But then there's a trick to that. You still need to put in something so that you can grow. You see, you can start by at least inviting others and then getting them to buy, use the commissions to do what? To buy for yourself. All right. So that's what you will be getting. So as we know, the early bird catches the fattest worm. You see that little Giphy at the bottom. It's showing you that it's an early bird and it caught the fattest worm. Right. So the beauty also about this program is that now they've combined it with this other project or this promotion, Maxi Status 2022, which started last year in October the 1st when at Eventi in Dubai. So that's when it was launched. A lot of people haven't been paying attention, but actually this is your time to start getting involved, because there's a lot that you're going to get out of here. Okay, so if you reach status and you apply the things that need to be applied there, if you reach a status of an agent, right? For instance, I'll tell it to you now. Tomorrow I will show you exactly how it's done. If you reach the rush hour now is for you to get the money in the back office. Get ready. 9 o'clock, you're going to press the button and you start doing. But what you can do is you can start also preparing your team, get the money as soon as possible. So I will give you this. You will put for yourself, if you have the money, put in $200 at least, because we are all ranked down to partner. Put in $200 for in your back office, get 2 partners, at least 2, to each put $200. And then under them, get each one of them a partner that's going to pay $50. Then immediately you're an agent. Immediately you're an agent. And then when you're an agent, you are receiving 10,000 tokens for free. Do you see? And then you're going to teach your team to do the same. When they do the same, then you become a consultant. You teach your team to do the same, but you're building the second leg, the fourth, third and fourth leg now. And you teach your team to do the same. I will open a slide, actually. Let me rather open that slide so that you can see what we're talking about. All right, let me open it here. Then I'll continue with my presentation. Okay, here it is. Right. For you to become an agent, this is you. This is you. Personal purchase, $200. Find another partner with $200 on the left and right. Get them to each find a client that's going to pay about $50. After that, you are going to make commissions. So you are getting commissions on the first level, 7%. I mean, 8. No, you'll get 7 because you're a partner. 7% on each and 5% on these ones. But the minute you become an agent, now you're getting 8% on the first level, 7% on the second level. You see? Plus, you are also getting some free tokens. Okay? Then, to become a consultant, it means you need to now top up your back office because you've already spent $200. Top up with 300, right? That's you. You purchase for 5. Position yourself ahead of your team. So you see, you've got 4 agents now. And then they each have got a partner that spent $200. And then each partner has got a client that spent $50. That's how you become a consultant. And the higher the rank, the more income you get. And as a consultant, you're getting what? You're getting 35,000 tokens. Do you see? For free. Over and above what you sold. Do you remember what you bought? I mean to say. Do you remember? At stage 1. $200. This is 10,000 that you would have bought. When you buy it for $300, it's 27,000 or 28,000. Plus 35 plus 10, 45. So it's close to 100,000 by just doing what you need to do. That's it. Okay. I hope it's clear. And then when you get to a manager, you will duplicate what the consultant has done. You get yourself some consultants. When you get to leader manager, it means you've got managers under you that have got consultants, that have got agents, that have got partners, that have got clients. Do you see? So you are multiplying yourself. You are growing with your team. So the higher you grow, the more tokens you will get as a bonus. And this is very doable. Look at the president. You're getting 5 million tokens. I can already see. It's no longer a one-man show. Everybody is going to get a chance to grow inside this opportunity and to earn and to also get a lot of these tokens. Unlike in the CRU program, there were like 80 billion allocated tokens, right? And people were getting these bonuses because they could afford to give the bonuses as and when you were carelessly just bringing people and signing them under you. Now you have a flat structure. You didn't really grow the way that you were supposed to grow. So now they have instilled this thing with the Maxi Status 2022 so that people can grow with their team. Okay, so that's what you will be getting. So here's the Maxi Status where you are growing in your rank and you are also receiving some gifts. See how generous our company is. They're giving you commissions, they're giving you bonus tokens, they're giving you some physical gifts also, luxurious ones, not just cheap things, all right? So let me just play a short video just to break the ice of what is it that we're talking about. Here it is. I hope I'm still audible.
It's been a long time since we've given away gifts. To mark the 7th anniversary of our company, we're going to give away deluxe premium level gifts to everyone who achieves a new rank or confirms their old one from the 1st of October 2021 to the 1st of October 2022. Consultants will receive a branded bag for their laptop and a premium pen from Evorich. Managers will have a great opportunity to choose between Apple, Samsung, and Hewlett-Packard laptops. Leader managers will be given branded accessories up to a certain price. A handbag for ladies, a wallet for gentlemen from the prestigious designers Louis Vuitton or Gucci. By the way, you'll get to choose the model yourselves. It's only fair. Top managers will get a magical stay in an all-in hotel in the enchanting Maldives. Vice presidents can expect a car. They can choose between Mercedes-Benz E-Class, BMW 5 Series, or Audi A6. Presidents will get a luxury apartment, and if they have 2 presidents in the same line, they'll also get a deluxe car from Lamborghini, Ferrari, Rolls-Royce, Bentley, or Porsche. To top it off, each leader who reconfirms their status will be solemnly awarded a corporate pin and a certificate confirming and emphasizing their status. Don't miss out on your chance to get the best with Evorich.
Okay. Okay. I just wanted to show you those gifts that you'll be getting.
With 3 diamonds, a partner in the rank of leader manager will receive a silver pin with 3 diamonds, 0.1 carats each. Vice presidents will receive a pin representing a partner in the rank of leader manager will receive diamonds depends on the rank of the recipients. The number of diamonds depends on the rank of the recipient. For example, a partner in the rank of leader manager will receive a silver pin with 3 diamonds, 0.1 carats each. Vice presidents will receive a pin representing a perfect marriage of yellow and white gold encrusted with 8 diamonds. Top leaders will receive a unique pin, President Black Limited Edition, made from yellow and white gold encrusted with 13 diamonds. You can receive pins on stage from the hands of company leaders, Andrei Khavratov, Mila Serdyukova, Armand Murnieks, and Dragas Stanchev.
So those are the things that you should expect, okay, for getting to those ranks, okay? You would get to those ranks, the gifts, and also if you reconfirm your status or you go above any of those statuses from leader manager, you are getting special pins, all right, with diamonds and stuff. So just to recap, consultant, you'll be getting this branded laptop. It's not as it looks on the picture. It's a leather bag. I don't know if you guys have seen Leaders Nalo's laptop bag. It's brown, but this one is branded Evorich. We saw it when Armand was showing it in one of the meetings. And you'll be getting a premium pen. Over and above that, you will be getting 35,000 tokens, okay? Evoscent tokens. A manager, you'll choose between any of these laptops, Hewlett-Packard, Apple or Samsung, and you will also be getting 100,000 Evoscent tokens. Leader manager, you're getting any of these accessories from Louis Vuitton or Gucci, right? For the guys, it will be a belt or a wallet. For the ladies, it will be a bag. And you over and above that, you are getting 500,000, 500,000 of these tokens. Plus, you'll also be getting those pins on stage to be recognized and a certificate. You see how generous our company is. It's giving us like more than what we anticipated. Actually, this is the best. This is by far the best company that you can ever be in terms of network marketing or in this industry. Okay. Plus, you are getting shares, guys. Top manager, you will be sent on a holiday, on a vacation to Maldives. I don't know if everybody or some people in this call know Maldives. Maldives is one of the most expensive islands in the world. Only the niche, the people that can afford, the people that have been saving up for years, maybe, can afford to go here because it's not cheap to get here, okay? It's very luxurious, it's very elegant, and there's some special islands. It's made up of over 1,000 islands, so you'll get to choose which one you want to go to. So, but the top manager will also, over and above, receive 800,000 Evoscent tokens with this program. Vice President, any of these cars, though, according to your taste or your personality, Audi A6, BMW 5 Series, or Mercedes-Benz E-Class. Plus, you are also getting 1.5 million Evoscent tokens. Guys, these are just gifts. We are not talking about the money that you are making in your back office, okay? But there's certain things that you need to do to get there. You need to have a blueprint. You need to study the compensation plan on how much you need to spend, okay? President will get an opportunity to choose any of the villas, luxurious apartments or villas in the world, or they can buy it for you, or they can give you the money to build it for yourself. And you will also get 5 million tokens from Evoscent. If you have 2 presidents under you, because guys, this is very doable. We've done it. We've got it's there in one of the programs, Income Booster. We've got a step-by-step blueprint on how to get there. So this is presidents, right? With 2 presidents under them, not vice presidents. You are getting any of the luxury apartment, and you are getting any of these cars, be it a Lamborghini, Ferrari, Rolls-Royce, Porsche, or Bentley. It's up to you, okay? Plus, you are also getting on top 10 million tokens from Evoscent. These are the deals that you don't want to miss out on, right? Plus, from as little as consultant, you will qualify to go to Eventi, because we have Eventi every single year in October. If you can remember, from those that came in maybe from 2019, you remember that people went to India, but you were supposed to be a consultant and up, okay? People, the year after 2020, because of the lockdowns, we did a virtual Eventi, but it was hosted in Moscow. The last year one was in Dubai. This year we're going to Mexico, and I want each one of you to see the bigger picture, to pour in and do everything possible to get here, because there's more. When you're a leader manager, you are also getting a chance to, leader manager and above, you're also getting a chance to be on this cruise ship, right? The cruise ship for 7 nights, 1,000 participants. So be amongst the 10,000 participants in Eventi, and be amongst the 1,000 participants in the cruise ship. Do you see? So this was announced last year at Dubai, that event will be held in Mexico, Cancun, right? So I was doing research yesterday, and I saw that it's a very beautiful place. So you don't want to miss out. You want to be a part of this event. You want to see the world, because we've been in lockdown, we've been miserable, you know, we've been locked down in our own houses, in our own jurisdiction. We were not free around the world. So this is a time, make it happen, because when you have money, you can do anything, right? So these are deals you don't want to miss, and we'd like to see you again in Mexico. I don't know if you guys have any questions right now that we can address in this room. I don't see anyone on Facebook that's watching live, so I take it that you guys are happy with the presentation. If you are happy, let me know. Otherwise, I can talk about the news. The news is that this is the last day. You've got a couple of hours to get the money into your back offices. There's no real news right now, but get ready. If you want to know how it's done, that will be the second part of the presentation. Okay, we'll see you in October in Eventy, because most of you I will not be able to meet in person. Okay. Okay, are there any questions for those that are here in the room? I will stop sharing my slides. For the 16 participants that are in the room, are there any questions? Okay, I will give you the answer. Who's this Bongi Diamond? I will give you the answer. I will do a small demo. Okay, so first let's get clarity. You know, Bongi, can you just unmute yourself for a sec? You know how to move your funds from your blockchain, right? You're talking about CRUs, right? That's correct.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so you're gonna take your CRUs and you're going to send them. Is your global unit pay verified?
No, my global UniPay is not verified. I'm only using the Unitex.
Okay, so you can take them from CRU from your blockchain to Unitex, trade it for, let's say, Litecoin, yeah, and then send it to your back office.
Okay, all right. Now, I just wanted you to elaborate that for other members that are new on the group.
Yeah.
On this.
Otherwise, others, if they have global unit pay, you can send it to global unit pay, because some people didn't necessarily open Unitex because maybe they don't know how to trade. But what I can tell you is that global unit pay does trade for you. It does what Unitex would have done for you. You are able to trade on global unit pay straight. You are just going to be doing some kind of a trade. There's that functionality. So I will open it so that you can see, all right? So for instance, you are having, as you can see here, these are the digital assets. So you can click here and add CRU. Do you see? CRU wallet. From your blockchain straight to here. You click here. Okay, I don't think it's going to allow me. Okay, let's see. All right, let's put it in there. So this is my CRU wallet. Okay, this thing has expired, so I would need to sign in again. Oh, you can't see my screen, by the way. Sorry.
Yes, we can see your screen there.
I stopped sharing. Okay, let me just log in and then I will share again. I will share my screen shortly. Just give me a second. Okay, you know how to get to global unit pay, right? Global unit pay, it's portal.gtinet.ch, right? Sign in, and then you're gonna put in your email address and your password that you used. You can all see my screen, right? Then if you've got a two-factor authenticator, you put in the PIN, and then it will get into your wallet. But those that are watching me on Facebook can see what I'm doing. This is, for those that don't know, this is our global unit pay. This is our payment system. All right. So this is my global unit pay system, right? My back office. So I can put money in here. So now when you get in here, this is the default page that you will see, the overview, the transactions that you've been doing, currencies. Currently we have in Euro, USD. I don't know what this one is, but it's a British, not British. What's
British.
Swiss. Yeah, it's a Swiss currencies. I don't know what it's called. Then we've got digital assets here, right? So on digital assets, you have to add them one by one. Okay, you choose the digital assets that you resonate better with. So far on my side, I have digital assets, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC, USDT, USDU. So if you are having, for instance, CRU in your blockchain and it's available, not staked, available, then you can send it here. You click here, you add the wallet, CRU wallet, confirm and add. Okay, and it's done. So your CRU should show here shortly. There. So for you to get it here, you need to click on it. And so the wallet address, just like in Unitex, you're going to send on your blockchain, send the wallet, the user is going to be exchange wall, just like you are sending to Unitex. And then the memo will be the address. This is the wallet address. And it will come here, right? After it's in here, right? Let's say now you've got, I don't know, 1,000, 10,000 CRUs here. You click here, and then you're going to trade it. Okay, I don't know why it's taking forever to open. You're going to trade. You click on the trade button. And you're going to exchange CRU for what? USDU or, okay, CRU for USDU only. Okay, so you can only, just like what do you call it? Okay, CRU for USDU, but I don't see the necessity to do it. Okay, let's see now. Okay, CRU for USDU, fine. Now, when you've got your USDU, because you need to add the USDU here, then you can click here, USDU, and you can trade it for if you do US dollars, it may not reflect immediately. Okay, so the best thing is to, okay, so it means you'll have to do 3 trades: CRU to USDU. USDU will give you USD, then USD you can exchange it for cryptocurrency, which is, oops, sorry, not this menu. No, you can't do a transfer on this internal wallet, international bank. No, this is like a long process, actually. I did this yesterday. I just don't remember how I did it. I was doing like a practical thing. So let's see. CRU for USDU. You trade for USDU. Nothing else. That's the only option you are having here. Then from USDU, it has to give you these, but I don't think they have unlocked it yet. It has to be any of these ones, be it Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin. But now, in this case, because it's a matter of urgency, you have to maybe forget about CRU here. CRU from your blockchain, send it straight to Unitex. From Unitex, buy Litecoin, and then Litecoin into your back office. Which back office are we using? Which back office are we using?
It's CRU/Evoscent.
Yes, CRU/Evoscent. Just, sorry. I'm just trying to log in so that I can show you guys. Right, here it is. It's on Evoscent, but you need to bring it here. CRU to Evoscent. the CRU tab, the old one. So you will be prompted to log in again. But just make a bookmark somewhere. Make a bookmark and like a shortcut kind of thing, so that it's easy for you to come in. So it will be office.mycryptounit wallet/cash in. So this is what you need to use. I'm just gonna put it here on the chats here so that you guys can have it at least. That's where you are going to be putting in your money. You go to wallet and then you go pay. And then you put in the options that are there. You put in the amount, $100, right? Whatever, 200, whatever that you can afford. You put in the amount, and then I would strongly recommend you use cryptocurrency, but you know how to get it. You have CRU in your blockchain, send it to Unitex, or get somebody to help you with that if you've got enough CRU that you can spend. If you don't have the cash now, then you go cryptocurrency, and then you use Litecoin because it's the fastest. Okay, there's no Ripple here, so you need to buy Litecoin from Unitex. Otherwise, if this functionality of taking CRU into USDU, from USDU to Ethereum or Bitcoin, then it would have been easy for you to take this and send it straight to your back office. So that functionality is not there yet. That pair is not there yet. So forget about this for now. But this was really primarily for the people that wanted to, for instance, get USDU quickly. All right. So you would send from your blockchain CRU and then exchange it for USDU back to your blockchain, and then you can convert. But that time is over now. I think this is why I was doing that that exercise at the time. So you know how to do it, you know how it's done. Okay. Litecoin is by far the quickest way to get it here. Tron will take you, I know it's the cheapest to get, but it will take about 72 hours to clear. So you don't want to find yourself waiting for 72 hours. This one is just a matter of minutes, 10 minutes at most. Your money will reflect in your back office. And then if you click Litecoin, it will tell you exactly how much. Pay. Then it will tell you $100, right? Then if you click to pay, opens another thing here. It's our gateway payment system. And you put in the number, you copy this, you put it in your global unit pay, how many, not global unit pay, wherever you are getting the Litecoin from, Unitex, be it somewhere else, and then your address, and then you send, and then you wait for it because it's timing out here, as you can see. And then after 10-15 minutes, when it's cleared, your money will be in your wallet, and then you are ready. I don't know if I'm clear. Is everything clear?
Hi, Yvonne.
Hi.
Yes, I'm just going through the steps that you have just said now, because I'm looking at the Unitex now for people that have the USDUs that were still available after they've done the conversion.
Yes.
So I wanted to know if they can transfer it back to their Unitex and then and convert it then to Litecoin, and
yes.
then they can.
It's a couple of steps, right? So let
me
try.
but that is the steps, because when I click on the deposit, it shows the exchange wall, and then below it shows you the USDU memo. So I don't know which address I have to take to Crypto Explorer to actually transfer those USDUs.
let me just get into Unitex so that we can talk about something practical,
Okay,
if you don't mind.
thank you.
Okay. Okay, so we are in Unitex. You can all see my screen, right?
Yes, I can see.
Okay, so this is let's say a blockchain.
Mm.
Let me try and find. Okay, a blockchain. Are you in a blockchain also, or where are you?
I'm in the blockchain also.
Okay, so you are saying on the blockchain, because I can't use my own account. I need to borrow an account. So let's say you want to deposit the USDU. That's what you want to deposit.
Yes,
in here, right?
yes.
So you need to click on deposit, go to wallets and balances, right? Then on USDU, it's deposit. And then there's two addresses here,
Yes.
right? Okay, maybe let me stop sharing for now. I just want to get something here. I want to think quickly. Just want to get into the blockchain quickly. Okay. All right. So you want to send some USDU, right?
Correct.
So you are going to say send on USDU, right? And then you are going to put in the number of USDUs that you want to send.
Mm-hmm.
Let's say it's 1,000. 1,000. Okay, it's gonna say nothing here because I have no USDU. But let's say I had 1,000 USDUs. Okay, let's say
Okay.
send over here, right? And then the username to send, you get it. It's exchange wall, because that's what is the deposit address. You copy this, you put it to Unitex there, right? And then on the memo, it's the wallet address itself. You see, it says your USDU memo. You copy this
Yes.
and you put it there. And then you send it and you put in the PIN.
Yes.
That's how you send it, right?
Okay. No, that's what I wanted to verify, because I see on the deposit address is that exchange wall. Only on the memo, I see the wallet address. So I was confused with that.
Yeah, no. If you're sending to Unitex or Global Unit Pay, for instance,
Yes.
it's USDU, you are clicking here and you say receive. You use the same credentials. You say the username will be, you see, like receive. You see, exchange address is wallet address is exchange wall. Then the memo is the wallet address. So when you're sending from here to either Unitex or Global Unit Pay, you're using the same kind of thing, because it's kind of like these systems are in sync. They talk to one another. That is why you are able to link your global unit pay to unit X. You see?
Now it makes sense.
Yeah. So that's how you send your stuff. Then I would recommend that, obviously, because I had thought that USD you could exchange it for Bitcoin or Ethereum, then you send it straight to your back office, but that's not the case. It was applicable for if you had money, right, in your bank account, and then you put in the money in here, right, in your back office in US dollar or euro, then convert that into USDU, then into your blockchain. That's how you would have gotten to send your what is it? That's how you would have gotten to send, be able to convert quickly instead of sending it to foreign exchanges outside of our system, waiting for them, because these are all linked. They are interlinked somehow. So it's quicker to connect with our own system than an external one. I don't know if I'm making sense.
It makes sense.
All right, yes. Thank you. Any other questions? And guys, it's very important that we use our own systems. Why? Because these are our own systems that were given birth to by the crypto unit program. So when these systems are making money, I'm talking about global unit pay, I'm talking about unit X, right? Even blockchain, whatever that's making money, it's for our own good, because the money that they make, they combine this money and then they start accruing it, like whatever that we make, then they start calculating how much have we made, and then 50% of that goes towards our dividends pot, I mean to say. Then if we made $1 million and up, we are able to receive our dividends. So it's good to actually to support your own project, the same way as Evoscent. You kind of like, whether you like it or not, you're going to get a sample, regardless of how much you're spending, $50 or $100, it doesn't matter, but you're going to get the sample with the tokens because you believe in the thing. Then now you're using the sample to market your own business or to market the brand, at least, so that your brand continues to make money and then you receive dividends as a shareholder. I hope I'm making sense. So you are unmuted. Can you maybe speak to us or speak to me?
Yes, no, I do get you, Yvonne, on what you're saying.
Okay. So, do you mind talking to us? Is everybody covered? Are you happy? Is everybody covered? All right. Maria, thank you for that. Okay, and by the way, I just want to share the link to the packages, right? To the packages themselves, so that you guys don't get confused. This is the link to the packages that we are buying, the Evoscent. As soon as you've put in the money, you can now start buying. Okay, so this is it. This is the package. As you can see, how many days are left? 1. Time left. It's a countdown. This is a countdown. So 1 day, no hours left exactly, and 32 minutes and 6 seconds left. So the packages are here. They're explaining each and every one of them. There's 10 types of them and 10 stages. So we are starting with stage 1 of 10, and these are what you are getting with it, right? So this will be unfrozen. As soon as that clock goes off, this will be unfrozen. So the best time to get ready is now. Get in here and buy. Okay, buy. At least for $50. Get 2,000. You see, you're getting how many tokens? 2,632. I mean, somebody bought for 1,000 and got 250 or whatever. I'm talking about the then CRU program, because it will come to there. If you paid attention to my slides, my very last slides, stage 10, I want to show you stage 10, where you will be getting 250. So you don't want to wait for the last moment and start scratching around. You want to start now. If you don't have the money, go and find people that have the money. Use the commissions to buy for yourself, because there is some what do you call it? There's some requirements for you to meet these statuses. Can you see? $50, you'll end up getting 250 because you waited for long. Evoscent is not gonna last even 6 months, guys. Trust me. Looking at the allocation of tokens that have been given, 80 billion was CRU. Now we are getting 10 billion. That's like 8 times less the amount. So you don't want to find yourself not using the opportunity now. Strike while the iron is still hot. Do you see? Use that. Use this moment. Tell as many people as you can about this. Share this video. It's on Facebook, and I will also try and find the YouTube thingy, because it's there. Let me see if I can find YouTube, our own YouTube. Then I'll give it to you guys. Then share this. The computer is overheating again. Oh my God. Right, here it is. We are live. As you can see, there I am. I want to share this.
This network.
Okay. And we are also live on Facebook. So share this with as many people as you can, so that we can get enough people on time. At least miss a day. Don't miss a week, because it will be finished. Are there any other questions, leaders, that are on the call? Okay, I'm not getting the link here. Okay, I've got it. I'm done. I think my job here is done. My job here is done. All right, I'm going to close the meeting for today. Tomorrow, I will have another meeting, but at 1 o'clock, leaders. I don't know, is 1 o'clock gonna work for you, or do you want to have one? Actually, let me give you time to get yourselves ready for this, and then we can talk about this, have another presentation tomorrow at 1 p.m. Then we get more people on board. If they lose the 9 a.m. one, is fine. There's still another chance. There's still stage 2 if they don't have enough funds. but there's a way to actually do this. Study. Oh, hi, Soso, you have your hand up.
Yes, my leader.
Yes, leader. We are listening. Okay. I hope everything is clear. People are just quiet. Mpoma Sipa, Vumi Madlala, Tabiso, Donald, Maria. Okay, Maria said it's clear. Tembisa. Mona, Sidumedi, is everything clear?
I'm sure it's clear, Leader Yvonne.
Pardon?
Clear. Clear.
I'm sure it's okay.
All right. Thank you very much. Yes. Yes, I'm listening. We have one person. There's some Thank you, Rumi. You want to speak or? He's listening on speaker. That's why there's some.
Can you mute him, Paul? Because
Okay, thank you.
okay,
All right.
Yvonne, I just wanted your quick attention, please. I'm on the
Yes.
Unitex now. The USDUs, like the process you told me, I've done it. It reflected. But now when we actually trading it for Litecoin,
No, you need to first okay, let me share my screen again. Luckily I
Yeah.
didn't close it. Okay. On Unitex. All right. You've got USDU. Let's assume you've got USDU here, right?
Yes.
So the next thing
there's
for you to do
USDUs.
is to go to trading, right?
Yes,
You need to
correct.
go to USDU. LTC, here it is.
LTC USDU, I'm there.
Right. Then you want to sell it.
Yes, I want
you want
to
to
buy
buy,
LTC. Yes.
Buy. You need to click buy, not sell. Buy.
Yeah,
Then you
buy
go to
with market price.
And then 100% if you want to buy for
Correct.
the entire amount. And then you execute.
Yes.
That's
Immediately when you press execute, it says you are not authorized.
Okay. Why are you not authorized? Did you check your profile to check if you have been verified? Click on verify.
Yes, I've been trading, doing everything with all other currencies. Today, when I'm doing this now, reversal, it says you are not authorized.
Okay, I think you need to contact support on that one. I'm not sure what's
Yes.
happening on your side, but yeah, just contact support. Let them. Actually, there's a Unitex support system, but they take forever. I'm talking about. I'm looking at the time. Normally they come back to you, but they take a little bit of time because there's some backlog.
Yeah, but I don't know why they close the authorization, because they're supposed to authorize these transactions. It just said you are not authorized. So that's why I was amazed.
Try Bitcoin. Can you not try Bitcoin rather, just to save time?
Let me just see. Just hold on a sec for me. I just want to see so that USDU for Bitcoin.
Yeah, try Bitcoin or Ethereum, the cheaper one, because the back office wants you to put in what do you call it? It's Bitcoin, it's Litecoin, it's Ethereum.
No, it's really not authorizing it. Something is not okay.
Okay, I think it might be that you have sent more than $10,000 for the month.
Yeah.
That is why.
Oh, okay. Now it's that.
Yeah.
I have.
So you need to find an alternative. And you've been sending how many? 10,000 CRUs for the month?
Yes. No, Yes, CRUs for a month.
Yeah, so that is why. So there's that cap. Do you remember CRU price went up? It's because of the cap. They kept.
Okay,
so
I
people
thought it was only on the CRU. I didn't know that it was also on the other currencies.
Okay, maybe there's no clear, because from my understanding also it was on the CRU, but now it looks like it's on other currencies.
That means it's across the board in terms of your transacting on the Unitex
remember,
platform.
okay, first let's start here. Did you send over 10,000 CRUs to Unitex from your blockchain this month?
No.
You didn't send over 10,000 CRUs. You haven't traded CRUs for USDU at all.
No, I haven't.
So you've been doing like maybe from another exchange and then buying. Okay, maybe
yes.
Then it explains it. It might be that they have done it for $10,000. You cannot trade for more than 10,000 or be sending stuff for more than $10,000. They're limiting people because some people are living on Unitex to make profit every single day.
Okay, no, I
Yeah.
understand. You? Yeah, now I'm stuck.
Sorry about that.
Okay, thank you.
Is it Leader Bongi?
Yes.
Oh, I see. Okay, I know you've been helping a lot of people, so yeah,
yes,
that could be the case. So you need to find another way, my dear.
Okay, no
So
problem.
your CRU will stay there until your 1 month is over. Then you'll be able to trade it after that.
Okay, thank you.
But then, okay, you are a clever girl. You'll find another way, I'm sure.
No, I will do. I have to.
All right, cool. Thank you very much.
Thanks. Eh?
All right, leaders, you are still here. Wow, it's interesting stuff. Hey, so you need to learn the systems. There's some YouTube tutorials that you can just type on YouTube how to trade, how to use Unitex. When I started here, I did create like a user manual for Unitex. I distributed it. If you didn't have it, there's some tutorials on YouTube. There were some presentations that are conducted step by step on how to use Unitex and the blockchain. That's when that rush hour of conversion and stuff. So, but everything is on YouTube. YouTube is your best teacher, okay? If you're battling with something, that's how I learn a lot of things. So I highly, highly recommend it. Other than that, you are most welcome to ask. Tomorrow is not an office day, but we'll be doing the presentation. I'll be doing it from home. So 1 o'clock tomorrow, be there, bring as many people as you can. But for now, the most important thing is to get your funds in your back office as soon as possible. Then we're rocking and rolling. That's it from me today, and have yourselves a good afternoon. I'm going to leave you with a song.
Thank you.
Put your head onto my shoulder, close your eyes and drift away. 'Cause we keep on getting older, but we still just wanna play.
Bye.